In Piaget's theory, when a child adjusts, okay, in-adjust niya an old schema to fit a new experience. Okay, pag sinabing in-adjust niya, may binago siya. Okay, may binago siya para ma-fit niya doon sa bago niyang experience. So, anong tawag natin doon? Okay, is it letter A, adaptation, letter B, assimilation, letter C, equilibration, or letter D, accommodation? Pag sinabing adaptation, very general siya. Lahat ina-adjust mo. Kapag sinabi naman nating assimilation, ganun pa rin yung schema. So, assimilation here has two letter S. Same schema. So, kapag naman equilibrium po, that is the balance between assimilation and accommodation. Pero kapag sinabi natin accommodation, as you can see, accommodation here has two C's, diba? Changing your old way of thinking. Okay, halimbawa, kapag schema pa lang siya, yung batang lalaki, nakita niya yung cat, and from that, no, na-learn niya yung schema ng cat, no? Kapag may apat na paa, may buntot, tapos merong mga ano dito, no, parang hair na dito, okay, that is cat. Ngayon, kapag assimilation naman, nakita niya yung cat, ang tawag pa rin niya doon is cat pa rin. Okay, pag accommodation na po, this time, nabago na yung concept niya, no? Kapag cat, ganito. Kapag cub, ganito naman. Okay? Mas may ano yung cub. Medyo wild yung kanyang itsura compare sa cat. Okay? That is assimilation versus accommodation. Okay? Again, as I said a while ago, ang equilibrium naman po is the balance, no? Ng assimilation at ng accommodation. Again? So, ang tamang sagot po for that is accommodation.